MS Polymer, otherwise known as silyl-terminated polyether, is a hybrid sealant and adhesive technology invented by Kanika Corporation, Japan. Vital Technical is the largest MS Polymer sealant and adhesive manufacturer in Southeast Asia. Adding to our comprehensive product range, we now proudly offer VT630, an MS-based flooring adhesive that is specially formulated to address some common issues faced by flooring contractors. So, what are the benefits of VTech's MS Wood Flooring Adhesive? Unlike many flooring adhesives, VT630 can be easily applied with a notched trowel, making the installation a smoother process. The troweled adhesive ridges will not slump and are able to fill voids that may exist between wood floors and subfloor, therefore helping to reduce floor hollowness. The adhesive is also formulated to provide optimal viscosity, so contractors will not face issues like adhesive spilling out of stair nosing during installation. Often, human mishandling can cause the adhesive to drop on wood floors, which can be troublesome to clean up, especially on pre-finished wood. Removing VT630 on wood floors is just so easy. The elastomeric characteristic of cured VT630 enables the floor to better absorb impact from foot traffic, hence helping to dampen the sound. In environments with significant temperature and humidity changes, or if the wood is particularly sensitive to moisture, the wood flooring will inevitably expand and contract slightly. A flexible adhesive like VT630 can accommodate such movements, and issues like floor buckling can be minimized accordingly. A subfloor heating system is commonly installed in places with a cold climate. In such an environment, it is important that the wood flooring adhesive layer also acts as a heat transfer medium. VT630 provides a higher thermal conductivity compared with some commonly used flooring adhesives on the market, making the wood flooring heating system more energy efficient. VTech's VT630 MS Flooring Adhesive, recommended for most types of wood flooring such as solid hardwood, engineered hardwood, bamboo and others. It is commonly applied on subfloors like concrete, cured leveling compound, plywood or rubber underlay. VT630 is free of harsh chemicals like solvent and isocyanate. It is odorless, contains low VOC and is compliant with South Coast Air Quality Management District Rule 1168 and Singapore Green Building Product Labelling Scheme. It is therefore certified to be environmentally friendly and safe for both applicators and building occupants, giving you a total peace of mind. VT630, the easy-to-use, eco-friendly and high-performance flooring adhesive for delivering your ideal wood flooring. VTech, formulated for the professionals.